Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim's World GH. If this is your first time, thanks for tuning in. If this is not your first time, thanks for tuning in back again. Salute to these OGs. If you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe after watching this video. Thank you. So let's get right into the video. So today I'll be teaching you this style with these two different head wraps. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so I think I should use the wine. Is it wine? Okay, so you have to place it like this on your head. I think you have to fold an inch in, and then tie it at the back. A bit tighter so it won't fall from your head. We have not even get right into the style, but it's looking so we pick our second color, which is the white, and then we'll push it through the back like this. Just push it in. So you can see we have these two colors. So we'll start with the violet. We'll start with the wine. Make sure you fold in. This is how the back will look. So you have to go over like this. So we go with the white. You have to fold in a bit. Okay. So we go in again with this color. Okay. You can see our design is even coming out. So we go on again with the white. Wow. Okay. So you see this one is short. So we make sure we put it under there. At this point, what do you think? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. What do you think? Is it giving? Or we should just, you can use this side. You can even go on with this side, and then you can create a design on top. So at this point, let's see if we can create something at this side. Is it giving? Let me know in the comment section, please. Okay, so at this point you have to make sure you have pins. You have to pin it down. Don't be afraid of pins, it won't hurt you. Just pin it appropriately, and then I don't even know what I'm creating, but I think it will make sense. Okay, what do you think? Like I said, I don't know even what I'm creating. Okay. At this point, what do you think? Is it okay, or is it no for you? Please, while you are watching this video, don't forget to subscribe. Tap the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, so let's try a different style. You know, you have to be creative. You have to be creative. Okay, so let's see if we can. You just have to tie a knot. I'm tying 2 knots. Let's see how this will come on. The 2 knots. I think you have to be closer. Okay. Okay. This is where your pin works. Make sure you don't pin your head. Don't come and say, I told you to pin, and then you pinned your head. Okay. Wow. What do you think? I think this one is giving. It's giving rich auntie vibes. Or it's not giving at all. So this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Please leave a comment for me, okay?